Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted videos on YouTube. So the first step you simply need to do is to open YouTube application, and then you need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom. Then you simply need to scroll down, and here you can see help and feedback. Click on that. Scroll down, and here you can see contact us. Click here, and here you need to describe your issue to the YouTube team that by mistaken I deleted my YouTube videos and I want to recover that. And then you need to click on next and add some supporting information with that and send to the YouTube team, and then they will see that and help to recover your YouTube videos in 24 to 48 hours. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.